What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we got a couple new things here for the BMW. We're going to throw these on and see how they turn out. Now, this is the NICECNC Pillion rack for the BMW R1250GS. I haven't seen too many videos on this other than the installation video by NICECNC, so I decided to make a video on it. It is pretty solid, very thick gauge. The coating looks pretty okay. The real test for me, though, is it going to rattle? That's what I want to know. Is it going to rattle? I've seen some other cheap ones clack around. We don't want that. And then my plan is to put the tail bag here from Nelson-Rigg onto this, and we're going to have it on here. I don't want to put it back here on the Gibby rack because if I do need my top case, I don't want to have to undo all these straps and get that off. All right, this should be a pretty easy installation. Let's go ahead and remove the pillion seat. I do have the heated seats, so we're going to go ahead and unplug. I will tape this off and cover this up later. For now, I'm just going to test fit. We got 2 feet here. Those are going to slide back here, and then we're going to lock it in place. No rattling at all. And now we could fit our Nelson-Rigg Dual Sport Enduro tail bag here on the pillion rack. All right, so I've taken it off and I put it on top of the seat here just to have it raised. Now these straps do come pretty long, but I've already trimmed them down. All right, I'm leaving these kind of loose for now. Slide this through. Honestly, I think this bag is going to live on this rack pretty much 100% of the time. I left enough strap that if I ever have to change it up, maybe tie it down to these bars, I'm going to have enough to still do that. I didn't want to shorten them just for this application. All right, we got the bag on the pillion rack. It is all tied down. Everything is tidied up here. Let's go ahead and install it. Nice. See, I don't always need a big bag. I don't always need the top case. I don't always need my panniers. And there's days where I just go on little short rides, and this is all I need. This thing's actually expandable as well. So if we go, need a little more room. Oh yeah, this is gonna work out perfect. And if I have a passenger and I need to get rid of this, boom, boom. I can use my top case, and on those days where I don't need any other luggage, we're back. Boom. How easy was that, guys? This thing ain't going nowhere. All right, guys, that's going to be it for this one. Just a quick video showing the new stuff we got for the BMW. Hopefully this helps you guys make a decision if you guys are looking into the NICECNC pillion rack for the BMW. If you guys liked the video, hit that like button. If you guys want to see more, hit subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.